Hello, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your views and I appreciate your attention. So, this video is going to be talking about, what is the fastest way to get clients? Okay? So, in my opinion, the fastest way to get clients is to learn how to build relationships with strangers. If you understand who your ideal client is before you actually start talking to people, it'll be very easy to see who in your target market is going to be a great fit to talk to and start up a conversation. If you understand, what symptoms does a person need to be experiencing in order to want to work with you, that's key. Next thing is, what does that person actually want? The only way that you can really find that out is either by seeing what they're writing or talking to that person. Next thing you got to be able to do is say, hey, do I have an offer that based on, the symptoms they're experiencing and what they actually want and need, is this going to be a great fit for them? Do they actually want to pay the money to do that? If you understand those three principles, you're going to be able to do it fastest. So now, what if you don't have your ideal clients? Well, you need to start doing a lot of market research. Maybe if you are, for example, a life coach who's been through an ordeal, and your coaching program is supposed to help people who's also been through that ordeal, you need to start writing down on a sheet of paper, what are some symptoms, what are some signs, what are some things that I was experiencing in my life that led me to start leading to finding help or to find whatever it took for me to get over my whatever was happening, right? And actually start succeeding in my life. Once you figure that out, you're going to be in more control of your business and in this client generation process, okay? Once you start learning how to do so and you're past how do I find clients, you're really going to start to get that freedom that when I started, I wanted to get a lot of freedom. I don't know about you, but it allowed me, once I figured out how to do that, how to get clients, how to grow assets that allow me to get clients on autopilot, it allows me to be able to have time freedom. A lot of people like, Bryce, why can you go out during the middle of the day to eat? Don't you have work to be doing? Yeah. I'm already doing it. What do you mean? My job is to go create relationships. I already did my 10 videos for the day. I already did my 5 videos for the day, whatever the case may be. What do you mean you've done 10 videos today? I mean, I have 10 videos that are playing right now that are bringing in clients into my attention pool and allowing me to build relationships with them until they are ready to make the jump and actually start working with me. And everybody's like, what? You can do that? I'm like, yes. You see, this is why clients start working with me, to be able to learn how to set up their business in a way that is structured so that it builds on itself. It's allowing you to continuously be able to leverage the efforts of yesterday to get you the results of either today or the results of tomorrow. Okay, very, very, very important. If you want freedom, if you want to stop, worrying about your bills, if you want to stop, having to take on clients that are not going to be great fits, but just because you need the money. If you want to learn how to actually build programs that allow you to be able to have time freedom, but still give great results to your clients, there's some steps that you have to take. But since you want to know the fastest way to get a client, that is the fastest way. In my opinion, the fastest way, go get relationships. Talk to people, learn exactly what they need, and then once you know what they need, go tell them about what you have in a way that satisfies their needs and what they want. Very, very, very simplified and watered down. So thank you. If you guys enjoy getting the simplified, watered down, like no bull crap type information, I recommend that you join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Okay? The link to that group is going to be in the description below or in the comment section surrounding this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. Another reason to join the group is because we're going to be doing live interviews, live trainings. We do day by day, play by play, exactly what I'm doing in my business to be able to grow my business and help my clients grow their businesses and improve their life over time. Have a great day. I can't wait to see you later. Take it easy. Have a great day. Goodbye, and see you soon.